what are the applications of AI in economics and finance? So the applications of this is the question, right? Malik Zarbat Khan, right? So the in the economics and finance, in the economics part, there's a lot of correlation of data, hypotheses. There's a lot of data strangulation. You need to do analyze the data at a larger scale, and try to predict, if there is any recession coming in, or how the market will react, or whatever the case is. So you try to get as much आप कोशिश करते हैं, you try to get as much certainty as possible in the economic policy when you're designing the economic policy, or when you're managing the economic indicators of a given company, or whatever the case is, right? You try to get as much certainty as possible, because the art of economics is looking beyond the fog. जो धुंध है उसके आगे क्या नजर आ रहा है, कुछ जगह नजर आ रही है, do you see anything, or you don't see anything, or it's just like an endless sea, right? So AI उसमें बहुत मदद करती है. वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम जो है, they are using artificial intelligence to the max, and they have a very good diagram that you can go over there and see, right? उन्होंने एक बड़ा अच्छा डायग्राम बनाया हुआ है, और वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम ने एक, लेट मी सी इफ आई कैन सी इट, वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम एआई. सो उन्होंने इसके ऊपर पूरा एक एक बड़ा अच्छा सा, दे हैव क्रिएटेड अ very nice diagram that shows you, the global future council of the future of intelligence, right? And they have showed you all the key things के जिसके अंदर क्या क्या चीज़ें आप foresee कर सकते हैं, right? So अगर आपको उसके context में पढ़ना है, you should go and visit there. This is the global future council on the future of intelligence, right? इसमें उन्होंने पूरा बताया 6 way AI is transformational global health. It's time we embrace an agile approach to regulating AI. There's a lot of things जो उन्होंने इस पे रखी हुई है, and some of these articles, ठीक है ना, वो इसको और इन्हांस करके, यानी कि उसके ऊपर मुख्तलिफ चीज़ों के ऊपर बात कर रही है. पब्लिक पॉलिसी मेकिंग में तमाम चीज़ों के अंदर ए इकोनॉमिक्स का क्या है. इकोनॉमिक्स इज़ अ वेरी की डिसिप्लिन, बिकॉज इट गिव्स यू परस्पेक्टिव into the nerve of what is happening within the society, right? So अगर आपको पढ़ना है, you can read this further, and that will give you an idea of what is happening on that front. Now, as far as finance is concerned, finance के अंदर variances हैं, finances के अंदर budgeting है, capex है, opex है. There are multiple things जो आपको finance में करनी होती हैं. हर company के अंदर finance department होता है. Even we have a department in finance, right? So every company has a finance department. Every house has a finance department. You know how much we should spend, what we should do, so on and so forth. इन तमाम चीज़ों के लिए there is data. Wherever there is data, economics में data है, finance में data है, every field has a data. Wherever there is data, you will find AI there, because you can bring AI, it can analyze the data and can show you things and patterns that you haven't seen before, or you haven't paid attention to them before. So that's the power of AI in all of these disciplines.